What's the meaning of anticlericalism? Anticlericalism. 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 Anticlericalism.
Anticlericalism refers to a political or social movement that opposes the power and influence of the clergy in society. This movement has often been associated with a desire to limit or remove the involvement of religious institutions in government affairs and the legal system. Anticlericalism has played a significant role in several historical events, such as the French Revolution and the Mexican Revolution. It has also been a source of conflict between church and state in many countries. The results of anticlericalism vary depending on the context and the extent to which it is embraced by the population.